this evening. Once again, let's start our evening with a big round of applause. I love the energy. You guys are doing great, no? From there, doing the games, dun din sa coffee booth natin, and also sa photo booth. Masaya ba kayo? Parang hindi ko na-feel. Isa pa nga, masaya ba kayo?
Yes!
Gusto namin.
Listen, maybe learn, hopefully, and be happy. Just be happy for the next 1.5 hours. That's our intention. We'd like to introduce to you who we are. Maybe some of you know us already, but maybe part of my opinion, this is just going to be very quick. I'd like to ask some of you, pwede mag-volunteer, no? What brought you here? Why did you say yes to the invitation of our life?
Number one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Number one. Aliyah. Okay, thank you guys. First time in Zamboanga. So wala akong speech na dialect na pinaktisan para sa inyo. But anyway, gusto ko lang i-share yung journey ko here with Alliance. So again, my name is Vincent Capi. Alliance Life Changer. Doon sa projector, isa po akong mananayaw or isang dancer. No, hindi lang sa... There, ha? Ayan na, mamaya niya. Basta masayaw na lang? Oh, yeah. Later, guys. So, isa akong dancer or mananayaw sa Cagayan de Oro na sa place namin. And then, hindi lang siya, kumbaga, fun or...
So let me change your mind. Wherever you look, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. I don't know you, but I know you got tension in your neck. Stressed out, too addicted to your phone that you're loving. If that's you, then take a breath. Feel these words inside your chest. You are love, you are trouble.
And go away, 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 and then chest, out the chest, and then wave, 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 and turn, 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 turn. Using last combo again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and chest, 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 and turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. So ready now?
Yes! We try what Blair did. Alliance? Number one?
Alliance!
Alright, so at this point, as we close, as we serve dinner also to all of you, I'd like to make an announcement. Okay pa ba? Yes! Last good news for the evening. Are we okay?
Yes!
Okay, so, since we are new here, so in... Hello, hi everybody. Hi. Let's see if I know. Buenos días con el mga bonita de Zamboanga. Beautiful people of Zamboanga, good morning. Good morning. As they say here in sales, it's all our new team which we just installed today. We have MP Marites at the back of Alpha Per Se. word from Brightway Colossus. We are expanding in this area and to support the people of Zamboanga. Who wants to join and become a life changer? Raise your hands! Raise your hands!
Yeah!
Yes! Alright, so at this point, allow me to share that for you, as you talk to your life changers at the back, you will be giving a discount of 300 pesos. So I hope you will make that decision as you have dinner and as you look forward to a growing opportunity here at Alliance, travel opportunities, income opportunities is well beyond your reach. Again, Alliance,
Number one!
number one.
Clap and 1, 2, 3. Sabay naman po. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Step, 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 tap, and step, 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 tap. Next. Hila. And hila again. And hila, back, tap, tap. Yun po yung first combo, okay? Sabay natin ulit. 5, 6, 7, go. 1.
Missions, of course, but definitely we will bring you to a lot of places. So I hope no, to see you, all of you. Ako po yung kasama ninyo and my team, we will bring you to a lot of places. Definitely as mentioned by MPJ, 5-star hotel, all expense paid trip, lahat po yan. All you need to do is to show up. No? Bring your passport. And then tatatakan natin yan. Kami na po ang bahala. We will bring you to different destinations next year. So once again, maraming salamat and I hope to see you in our
Sonians? Yes! And hindi kayo naka-operate. Pero one last time, yes, Sonians? Yes! Thank you so much. And for now, another person will speak here in front. Isa siya sa mga strong pillar, no? Siya yung napaka-supportive na regional business manager all the way from the land of Cagayan de Oro. Nag-travel ng 13 hours. And siya yung tinatawag namin na big guy with a soft heart. Ladies and
You let me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but I know you're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. 'Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough.